Welcome to the class, and today this is the class of third day of the topic quadrilateral for the grade 7, and today we are going to solve the related questions of the properties of quadrilaterals in this video. I hope you will watch it carefully. And now today's class goes like this. Welcome to maths class. Welcome students. As I told you, quadrilateral topic, third day class, okay? And look here, the first question, write the common properties of a parallelogram and a rectangle. Means the same property, which are the property of what? This parallelogram and a rectangle. Solution. Then the common properties of a parallelogram and a rectangle are as follows. Number 1, the opposite angles of a parallelogram and a rectangle are equal. Number 2, the diagonals of a parallelogram and a rectangle bisect each other. Second question, look here. Write those properties of a rectangle which are not true in a parallelogram. That is the properties of rectangle, but that is not the property of parallelogram. Solution. Those properties of rectangle which are not true in a parallelogram are as follows. Number 1, A. Each angle of rectangle is a right angle, but it is not compulsory for parallelogram. B. The diagonals of rectangle are equal, but it is not compulsory for parallelogram. Number 3, look there. What are the common properties of a square and a rhombus? The same properties of this one, rhombus and square. Solution. The common properties of a square and a rhombus are as follows. Number A. All the sides of a square and a rhombus are equal. Number B. The diagonals of a square and a rhombus are bisect each other at a right angle. Number C. Each diagonal of a square and a rhombus bisect its angle. Number 4. Which properties of a square are not the properties of a rhombus? Question. Okay, now solution. The properties of a square which are not the properties of a rhombus are as follows. Number A. Each angle of a square is right angle. Number B. The diagonals of a square are equal. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. If AC equals 6 cm and BD equals 8 cm, find the length of AO and BO. There is a figure. Okay. A solution. AC is given there 6 cm. BD is given 8 cm. AO equals to what? And BO equals to what? AO equals to half of AC. AO equals to half of AC, because diagonal bisect each other. Bisect these two parts will be equal. This part will be the half of this total. That means or AO equals to 1 by 2, or this one of 6 cm. Therefore AO equals to 3 cm. 2 3s are 6. That's why. And BO is half of BD. That is the same reason. Diagonal bisect each other. BO equals to 1 by 2 into 8 cm. Therefore BO equals to 4 cm. This is the answer of BO. Now next, this is Question number 6. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which BAD equals to 2x plus 5 degree and BCD equals to 3x minus 20 degree. Find all the angles of the parallelogram. This one, all angles you have to find out. These are the opposite angles of parallelogram. That's why they will be equal. It is written here. Number 1 is the angle BAD equals to angle BCD, being opposite angles of parallelogram. And now here 2x plus 5 degree equals to 3x minus 20 degree. Put the x's value one side, 2x minus 3x and minus 20 minus 5. When it goes here, minus 5. And minus x will be there because 2 minus 3 minus 1 will be there. Minus 1x, minus 20 and minus 5 minus 25. Therefore, x equals 25 degree. We found the value of x. Now that x value we have to put here and we'll find out this angle. A equals 2x plus 5, that means 2 into 25 plus 5 equals to 55 degree it is. Now similar C, 3x minus 20 equals to 3 into 25 minus 20, then you will get here 55 degree. Angle C also we got, angle A plus angle B, we know that these are the co-interior angle. This we know 55 degree A, B, we don't know. Now 55 goes here and it subtract and B equals to 180 minus 55, then it will come 125 degree. Okay. Similarly, angle D equals to angle B. Angle D and angle B are opposite angles of parallelogram. Whatever we have got in B, that will be the angle of D also. That's why angle D equals to also 125 degree. We found all the angles A, B, C, D. Like this, okay? Now let's see here another question. If the side RQ of the parallelogram PQRS is produced to the point T, if PSR equals 70 degree, find this angle PQT. Its figure is like this. Look here. This 70 degree, now we have to find out this PQT, this outside angle. How to do? Look here. Solution. Right. Number 1, PQR. PQR means this PQR, this inside one, this. They are the opposite angle. This 70 and this, obviously this will be also 70. Because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. PQR we got. After PQR we can find out this and this angle. PQR and PQT are that linear pair, then their sum will be 180. Then PQT equals to 70, will go here to subtract. Then it will come PQT equals to 180 minus 70. Therefore, PQT equals to 110 degree. This angle is 110 degree. Okay. Now let's move to next question. 8 number. In the figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. And if AC equals to 6 centimeter, find the length of OD. The figure is like this. AC is given. We have to find OD. Then diagonals are equal. If diagonals are equal, then this diagonal is what? AC is 6 centimeter, then BD will be obviously 6 and BD half will be OD. That we have to do here. Number 1, BD equals to AC, being diagonals of the rectangle. Diagonals of rectangle. BD equals 6 centimeter. So OD equals half of BD. I told that this diagonal and this diagonal bisect. Bisect means half. They will be equal. These two parts will be equal. Then OD equals to, therefore OD equals to, what will be here? 3 centimeter. 1 by 2, okay. 1 by 2 of this BD is what there? 6. 1 by 2 of 6 means 3 centimeter. That's OD equals 3 centimeter. Okay. And here, now 9 number, look here. In the figure, PQRS is a square. Find the measurement of PQS, OPS and OQR. Okay. Its figure is like this. Look here. This is square. Its angle will be 90 degree. And look here. PQS is 90 degree. PQS. This is POS one. POS is 90 degree. This one. Because diagonals of the square bisect at 90 degree. This angle, this 4 angles will be 90 and 90. And here, angle OPS. OPS is 45 degrees because this total is 90 and this diagonal bisects the angle of the square. Bisect means dividing into equal parts. 45, 45 it will be, okay. Now, here, OQR, this is also 45 degree. Diagonals of the square bisect the angle, okay. Now here, next one, 10 number. In the figure, EFGH is a rhombus if the measurement of angle ESG equals 80 degree, find angle EGS. Figure this. Okay, now first look solution. This is rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal, and here EH and HG are also equal. This EHG, this triangle you have to take the EHG, then this side and this side equal. That means it is isosceles triangle. Okay, this is shown here in this one. Angle HEG equals to angle EGH. This angle HEG and EGH, these two angles will be equal. If you remove this line, here will be one triangle only. This is EGH. Okay. Next, HEG plus EGH plus EHG equals 180 degree. If you add this angle, this angle, and this angle, three angles of this triangle separately, HEG separate triangle. If you add these three angles, it will be 180 degree. Then these two angles are equal. Then we can add EGH plus EGH plus 80 degree. This is given 80 degree question. Then 2 EGH equals 180 minus 80. This will be 100 degree, and 100 degree divided by 2, then it will come. Therefore, EGH equals to 50 degree answer. This angle will come 50 degree. This angle also will be 50 degree. 50 plus 50 plus 80, 180 degree. That's why our value is correct here. Okay. Now, assignment. Your assignment of this class, you have to prepare the note of the exercise completely, and so this all you have to do. Note. You have to note down all the things and learn the question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you have to learn. There are some theoretical things you have to learn and remember. Thank you. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. Goodbye.
Give me all they feelings, yeah. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.